Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dolphin. I hope you're well and I hope you're safe. Today we are going to make carrot cake. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm starting off with the wet ingredients. First, I'll put in a bowl 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. In this case, I'm using 2 eggs in the beginning and 1 egg I'll add later. While mixing the wet ingredients, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. In this case, if you have brown sugar, the better, but if you don't have it, you can use any sugar. So for the dry ingredients, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you fold. The last thing you're going to do is add your grated carrots and then grease your baking tin and bake this cake at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. So guys, the cake is ready. As you can see, it's moist. I love a good moist cake. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.